Hey crafties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll go creative with this matchbox and turn this into something interesting. So stay tuned till the end, and without any further ado, let's begin. And to make this, we'll obviously need a matchbox, some wrapping paper, some colored sheets and few quilling strips. I am cutting out a small portion of the wrapping paper so that it goes over the outer cover of the matchbox. And we'll paste it using a glue. While sticking the wrapping paper to the matchbox, please keep in mind to use a brush while you paste it so that there are no air bubbles after you have pasted it. Here I have used wrapping paper because it is very thin and you will still be able to comfortably close and open the box even after you have covered it. Fold the sides up one by one to give it a neat look. Now we'll line the inside of the box using a colored sheet. Here use a color that complements the color of the wrapping paper that you have used. And now we'll make some roses out of this quilling strip. Gently fold the quilling strip like this and roll it. And we'll put some Fevicol in the bottom. Next up, we'll make a paper cone out of this black paper and place it inside the matchbox we covered earlier. Here I am placing few tiny leaves and then the roses. It is easier than it looks, and I am hoping you'll give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.